Welcome to this presentation on creating more flexible curricular options in your course. The best way to learn about flexibility is to look at the use of hybrid or blended courses. We're going to learn what these types of courses are and how they can increase curriculum flexibility. First things first, terminology. You may have heard the terms hybrid and blended thrown around. In truth, though some might try to make a small distinction, the terms are essentially synonymous and mean that the curriculum is less bound to learning based on seat time and more likely to use technologies to make the learning time and place more flexible. Other words you might hear are synchronous, meaning done at the same time, asynchronous, meaning done at different times, face-to-face, meaning meeting within the same physical proximity, typically in a classroom environment, online, meaning not done in person, but often done either through a webinar-style platform or through an LMS, otherwise known as the Online Learning Management System, such as Blackboard, Canvas, D2L, etc., where an instructor can post articles, assignments, grades, and other class-related items. So if your coursework for a given week is a discussion through a discussion board, you're probably working asynchronously through an LMS, while if you're meeting together through an online webinar-style platform like Zoom or Adobe Connect, you're learning synchronously but online instead of face-to-face. Although some instructors think that creating a hybrid course is simply putting some of their typical face-to-face content online, it's not considered best practice. If this is all an instructor does, the instructor isn't maximizing the hybrid advantage. The advantage of a hybrid is to open the walls to learning by letting go of the old-fashioned idea of seat time and/or lectures as an indicator of learning. Hybrid courses need to leverage technologies to give more flexible learning options. The best method of changing from a traditional style of teaching to a more flexible style is to go back to the building blocks of the course, the objectives. Instructors first solidify measurable objectives. Then they look at the activities and assignments, both inside and outside of the classroom, that will best lead their students to these objectives. During this process, instructors may need to find new technologies and learn how to use them in order to offer the students the best combination of function and flexibility for student learning. Once the activities, assignments, and technologies have been chosen, and, of course, verified to align with the objectives, it's helpful to create a visual map of how these activities and assignments and technologies fit together to become a course rhythm that students can follow. Using the map, instructors can then begin building their courses more confidently with a planned method created for student success.